How the table is made, another thing we will take in detail, that is types of tables. Another term, these are two types, reference tables and second is summary tables. Now, what do you mean by these two type of tables? What are their characteristics? Reference tables, these are for general purpose. These do not have any specific objective in mind. When the table is made or the data is collected and presented in the form of a table and in the form of reference table, then that is not on the basis of any specific purpose. It is just the data bank. That means the whole data regarding anything or regarding any particular, not any particular, regarding general problem in the country or general distribution of population or any other general agriculture production, this type of data is given, then this is known as reference table. This is in the form of data bank, as I told you. That means the whole data is gathered properly and presented in a table form, which is not for any specific purpose but for general purpose. And this is only for reference. That means according to a purpose of inquiry, this data collected or data bank you can use for your reference. This is known as reference table. For example, census of India, that is done after every 10 years. The last census what was done, that was in 2011. So, census of India in 2011, that has the whole data regarding the population. It is regarding the number of males and females, regarding the number of children, or you can say it may be regarding the number of working population or dependents in the country, or on the basis of birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, infant mortality. All these are compiled in one distribution, that is census of India 2011. This type of distribution is known as reference table. It is normally given in the form of appendix or in the form of any attached format which has the detailed description of data. So, this is known as reference table, whereas summary table, this table is used or this table is made with the specific purpose in mind. Regarding, suppose you want to take the literacy rate of country, you want to find out, then how to find out the literacy rate? There are two ways, either you go and collect the data from each and every household in the nearby areas, or if you want to do the survey of whole country, then it is a tedious work, then you have to go and find out or you have to appoint different people to gather the information in different states. The another way is that whatever information is collected in reference tables in the form of primary source, that data you can use as a secondary source, and from that collected data bank you can take out the required data which is concerned to your inquiry or which is concerned to your purpose, and then that data is used for specific purpose. This is known as summary table. So, summary tables are used or they are made for a specific purpose, whereas reference table are just the data bank. The data is collected and that is displayed for use for reference or for any specific inquiry or specific purpose, right. So, here we have two types of tables. Now, after this, now you must be curious to know that what are tables or how to make a table, because I have told you these facts about table, but still this is in your mind that how to make a table, what is exactly a table format. So, do not worry, I am going to give you a format of table, and then after that I will take a particular example and on the basis of the example, I will give you the entries how to fill up the table, so that you are familiar that how to make a table and how to fill up the entries in a particular statistical table. Okay.